Hello everybody, this is Jonathan Ryerson again, and I know it's been a while since I ever made a fire alarm video about this panel. I believe I made a video on the fire alarm update about this panel last year, and to be honest with you guys, I finally got it working because the only thing that I can't do with it, because I can't change the coding options, it's stuck in continuous because I don't have one of those remote enunciators to program it. If there is a way to program it without the enunciator, if not, just leave me a comment down below. So it's stuck in continuous for right now, so we're just gonna have to deal with it. So I know it's not powered up, but it will be in just a second because I have this extension cord plugged into it, and we're gonna plug this into the surge suppressor, and I have some devices hooked up to it, and this thing has a really loud high-pitched buzzer, the piezo. So anyways guys, if you guys like this panel so much, if you want to see tests of it, please let me know. So let's see if it powers up. And I'm a little nervous, so make sure nothing's gonna smoke or start on fire or anything like that, because I double checked all the connections. So here we go. Green LED's on. Open it up. Silence. Okay, everything looks pretty promising so far. So what we have, the LEDs, we got AC to DC power, got alarm for red, got four yellow LEDs, set mode report. So set mode report, I'm not real exactly what that means. And I believe the memory tells you when the system was last activated. So in order to clear the memory display the memory, you push 5 and enter. And if you want to do dial reset, you push 3 and enter. And there's the battery trouble, which there is no batteries plugged in for a specific reason, because I'm not using this as a daily panel. I'm just showing you it for demonstration. So anyways, right here is the zones, and right on the bottom is the NACs. So you got NAC 1, NAC 2, NAC 3, NAC 4, NAC 5. So you got, this panel has 5 NACs. There's the transformer. And you got zones at the bottom. So you got 5 zones, actually 4 at least, I think. And here's a little diagram right here, and it tells you the instructions, what to do when you're at this panel. So anyways guys, I have been messing around with this panel a little bit, and I finally got it to do a fire alarm condition and able to reset afterwards as well, but there is no acknowledge, and so the buzzer will keep beeping at you until the system is fully reset and silenced, because there's no N-line resistors and there's no batteries. So let's close it up. So, and I see these stickers on the side, but here's the info. This panel came out of a group home. I pulled this panel out when I was in the fire alarm industry about a year and a half ago. And this panel takes a Silenite key for this particular lock. So let's demonstrate this panel, but first we're going to view the devices that I have plugged into it for right now. So anyways, we got my Firelight BG12L that's on zone 1. And for notification appliances for right now, I'm not doing a horn strobe today because my brother Joseph is sleeping right now. And plus, I don't want to disturb him too much because he's not feeling well. Okay, so here is my Wheelock WMT-24-FR weatherproof 117 candela remote strobe. That was my very first Wheelock device from Wheelock. So I'm doing a quick demonstration for today. And also the current output on this panel is also filtered DC as well. There is no FWR in it. It's got filtered current on the NAC circuits, which is good, which means you can run anything off, almost anything off of this panel, but except this panel is stuck in continuous because I don't have one of those remote annunciators to program this thing. I would like to get one, but they're extremely expensive on eBay for right now. They're extremely expensive. So if there is a way to change the coding options on this panel without the annunciator or not, please let me know in the comments below. So anyways, if you guys have a Silinite 5204 control panel, just let me know. Alright, let's activate it, and we're going to make this thing go off. Here we go. You're going to have to, into silent, silence, enter, disable. Okay, we're just going to have to reset the system. And then the strobe stops flashing. Whoops, I forgot to reset the pull station. Gee, this thing is loud. Okay. There we go. So that is a quick demonstration of the Silinite 5204 fire alarm control panel. So anyways, this was basically pulled out of the group home, which me and Scott did. So Scott and I pulled this panel out of the group home and took it out of service and replaced it with the Silinite 5207. But I'm not too much of a big fan of Silinite, but this is an okay panel. It's just stuck in continuous for right now. So until I can get the coding option changed on it, if I can do other coding options, please let me know in the comments down below how to change the coding options without the annunciator or with the annunciator. If there is no way to change it without the annunciator, then I'll probably get the annunciator someday. But right now I'm gonna probably use self-coded alarms if I want to do code 3, like electronic devices and stuff like that. So anyways, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this little demo. Hope you enjoyed it, and that'll be it for now. I'll see you in the next video, and if you want to see system tests, like mini system tests with this, like Silinite 5204 system test 1, if you want me to pick an alarm for that test, please request it in the comments down below. So anyways, guys, hopefully you enjoyed it, and see you later. Bye.